we're currently on our way to ShopRite, and we randomly decided to vlog today. So this is very last minute, very random. Originally we wanted to go to the city and do some thrift vlogging, but it's too cold and we want to save money, so instead we're gonna go we're gonna go to ShopRite and do some food challenge.
Yeah, so should we explain what we're doing? So basically I'm gonna record on my own and pick out some items that I want her to pick to taste, and she's gonna do the same for me. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna meet back at the house afterwards.
So we'll see you guys in 5 minutes in ShopRite.
5 minutes later.
Alright, I'm gonna use a basket for mine.
Okay. Baskets. Chuck. And we're going our separate ways. See you later. I'm cracking up while doing this, and people think I'm crazy because they don't know what's going on. But Julie's actually a very picky eater, so I'm gonna pick things that I know she will not.
Ginger crystallized slices. Oh wait, no. I'm gonna get a date. I know she doesn't want dates.
So far in my basket, I've got Raisinets because I don't eat raisins, so she definitely will not eat raisins. And I've got marshmallows because I don't think she likes marshmallows. And my next item, I think, is gonna be pudding. So I keep running into Julie, and this is not okay.
Okay. Wow, that's a bad angle. Keep going. Damn, I don't know what to get. It's like so many things. I'm about to get like a protein shake or something.
I actually found her in the protein bar aisle, and she thinks I don't like them, but joke's on her because I do.
So, I'm pretty sure she hates pickles, so I'm just gonna get like a random one. Okay, so I'm trying to see if there's some kind of like nasty flavored soda. I know what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get kombucha. I don't think anybody likes kombucha, to be honest, but hopefully she... Oh my god. Alright. I think I'm just gonna get whatever this is. Yeah, I'm just gonna go pay right now and be out.
Found her, she's right there, but she hasn't seen me, so let's go buy our thing. She's actually right behind me.
Or just go around.
So we actually had to stop at McDonald's because we didn't have to, but we both want soda. So we're gonna do that.
Oh, and are we explaining the rules now? Or are we...
Oh, yes. So we ran into my little brother who actually works at ShopRite. And he just texted me a good idea. He wants us to actually go home and make smoothies out of the things that we just bought.
So Erica's downstairs right now. And she's making, I think we said this, we explained it before, but she's making smoothies out of her items.
So I'm going to start off with Jello. I love it. That was... Okay.
What is that?
Some kind of kombucha or organic. Rebuild, reclaim, and rekindle. So that's... Look what I got.
It smells. What is that?
Cat. She gonna kill me for that one. I'm still waiting, and I'm so bored. I'm just ready to drink the smoothie and get it over with. I'm not ready for this.
I'm not ready for it.
So this is Julie's smoothie. I poured way too much for her, so she doesn't have to drink it all. She does have to guess what's in it. And this is my smoothie, and it looks like straight throw up. My hands are sweating. Hold on.
I can't believe you might. You know what? Honestly, you don't have to drink the whole thing because I know what's in it.
It's actually pretty good. It actually is. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I would have chugged it right now, but
wait till you find out what's in that. Wait till you find out what's in that.
I think that's the smell. That's grossing me out.
It smelled like diarrhea when I I swear to God, me and Ralphie was like, oh, when he was recording behind the camera, he was like, it was covered in his whole leg.
The smell is horrible, but I'm just gonna try it actually.
Oh, you a trooper. You a trooper. I would have thrown it. Show. She actually tried. She left a little bit, but I don't blame her. No, you don't have to.
Okay. I'm not drinking it because I saw pickle there, and I hate pickles.
Oh, so you know one thing. Are you gonna guess right now?
There's pickles. Something tastes like like vinegar. There's a little vinegar taste.
Probably the pickle.
Yeah. Okay. So pickles.
Oh God.
Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what you put in it. Pickles. Did you put any onions in here?
No.
But you put things that I don't like, right?
Yeah, and there's one for sure that we don't eat.
Well, don't eat. It's a vegetable.
No human eats it.
No human eats it. Dog food. Cat food. Cat food.
But I didn't put a lot. I put like the smallest thing. Oh, I had the items up here.
You put cat food in there?
Yeah, that's why I said you might hit me.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie though, when I was a little kid, I used to eat, go sneak up and eat the cat food, so it don't faze me. I did. Ask our grandma. She used to catch me eating like the cat food.
Was this before
But not wet food. Yeah.
Was this way before I met you?
We're cousins. We're literally, my dad is her mom's brother, but I lived in Puerto Rico for years, so we didn't meet till I didn't meet years later.
Till I was like 5?
5, yeah.
I think I was 5 before they finally moved to the Bronx, was it? The first time?
I was 5 when I moved to the Bronx, but you guys came to Puerto Rico before that. And we met in Puerto Rico. Yeah. I was probably like 3 or something.
We were little.
So, yeah. I didn't eat wet cat food. I ate,
She's still on.
I ate, like hard cat food. Whatever.
Like it's better. That is hard.
Anyways, I can't believe you put cat food in there.
You want me to show you? I have the items.
Yeah, we'll release them at the end. I actually put, edible items in yours. You're fat, but I ate it all, so I'm a champ.
No, you are.
I drank it all. Alright, your turn.
The only one thing that was edible.
I can't even drink it! I should have put cottage cheese in there.
Okay, it's not even bad. It's just fruity. It tastes like there's banana and strawberry in here.
Mm. You got a lot to go.
I took like the smallest sip.
Nah, you can't hold your nose.
Ew, it's the consistency. Oh, it's like I need a spoon.
You want a spoon? I can get you that.
For real?
Try drinking some more. I think you should do it without the spoon, trust me.
There's pineapple in here. Wait, we each picked 5 things, right?
Yeah.
What is that white ball? Like there's a white ball in here.
Y'all don't understand. I'm about to pee my pants.
Gummies.
Nope.
We're back. Yo. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? That's olives. Yo, for sure that's olives.
They're not olives.
They're hard, bro.
No, I understand. Like I said before, she's a very picky eater, so.
Why? Is that an almond? Is that a cape? What's that? Capers? Ew, what the why is it so hard? Just disgusting. Whoa. Yo. I don't
you gotta eat it.
I don't want to eat that.
You gotta.
I don't want to eat that.
You lost.
I
You
don't.
gotta.
Hey.
I eat cat food. Come on. This is
What?
edible. This is
Hey,
something you eat.
You said it was good.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Should I do it?
What was the bet?
What's the bet?
We'll choose it. We'll choose after. If you spit out, you lose.
There. Oh my god, this one I can eat this.
You spit it out. I won.
I'm not eating that.
I won.
I'm not eating that. That's what was.
You good?
No, I feel nauseous.
Now we have to reveal. All right. So I'm gonna show you what I got.
Oh god.
Are you throwing up? Are you going to throw
I
up?
mean, there was.
Oh,
there was a bird.
that smelled.
Yeah, because of.
Okay. So I got you dark chocolate raisins.
See, that was not even bad, but
It's not
in
bad.
there, it was bad. It was just.
They're actually not bad. I got you Jello, which is in the fridge. I know you don't
Oh,
like
that's
Jello.
why it tasted fruity.
I got you marshmallows.
That was the white clumpy stuff that made.
I got
Oh
you
my god.
banana baby food.
And I did taste bananas. And I did
You
taste
said it. You're
bananas.
like banana. And oh, I got you pineapple chunks.
And I guess pineapple. I guess technically 3 things.
I guess a lot, yeah. So
It's
that's
so
what I got
nasty.
you.
Okay. Do I have all of them in there? No. Oh, I forgot another thing downstairs.
You can just
Okay,
tell me.
so she guessed one thing. No, I told you.
Pickles.
Oh, pickles. So I got pickles.
I hate pickles.
Then I got Dijon mustard.
Oh. Oh, I hate mustard. Oh.
Then I got this weird kombucha thing.
Oh, kombucha.
You
I like kombucha.
Ah! I don't like kombucha. I never had
It
kombucha.
tastes weird, but it's good. And it's supposed to be healthy.
It was some organic kombucha thing.
Damn, you spent a lot of money on that because those are expensive.
And then I bought dates.
Oh.
But I put 1 date in there.
Oh, and cat food?
And cat food.
You did me so dirty. But guess what?
I thought that was the point.
Cheers.
Everyone have bad things.